So somebody's asking a question again. If I wait a few years, will LASIK become cheaper? I'm not seeing how. I've been doing this for 25 years now. We've had an increase in costs over the last several years as everything sort of went up. I highly doubt it's going to get cheaper. The whole focus of laser vision correction has been to make it better, to make it safer, to make it so you have less complications, less issues, where it's become safer than contact lenses by studies. And the big focus has been to make it better. In other words, there are people like myself doing procedures to make corneas better than human normal. That means it's better than you can get in glasses or contacts or regular LASIK. And that's not going to make it cheaper. That's just going to make it probably more expensive because you're getting a lifetime of improved vision. It's not just 1 year and buying it. This is for many, many, many years. And when it's done correctly, LASIK is not for 5 or 10 years. LASIK can last you for a long, long, long time. For many, 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 many years. I have patients that 20 plus years I've done and counting with their LASIK. People I even know, like my brother.